Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Christopher Latham Sholes is credited with inventing the typewriter in 1870. Collaborating with Samuel Soule and Carlos Glidden, Sholes developed the first practical typewriter. This invention revolutionized the world of communication, paving the way for faster and more efficient writing. Sholes' typewriter introduced the QWERTY keyboard layout, which remains a standard in keyboard design to this day.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.